Hello once again. In this lesson, we are going to look at arrange commands. You have what you call bring forward, we have bring to front, we have send backward, and we have send to back. But before we start implementing the commands, let's have some objects. Let's use some shapes. I can draw my rectangle, for instance, like that. I can give it a fill color so that we can distinguish the objects. I can have something like a rounded rectangle. Maybe I can draw it somewhere there. Let's just draw them intersecting one another. We give it a different fill color. We can pick something like an ellipse. I can draw something like my ellipse like that. Give it a different color. Even a gradient, a pattern, that's fine. I can use something like a polygon. I can draw my polygon somewhere there. We give it a different color. Maybe with this polygon we can position it. Let's position it somewhere here. Resize it like that. Right. So we have those items. So now that you are going to implement the arrange command, we are going to start with the first one, bring to front. Now, when you select an object, I can select an object like this one that is, you can select any object that is behind the others. Maybe I can pick like this one, the rectangle. So when you click on object, arrange, you say bring to front, it will be placed at the topmost position. So it will be moved from the original position to be placed on top of the other objects. So also we have what we call bring forward. Now bring forward, it moves an object one step ahead from its current position. For example, if I use this circle, for example, select it, I click on object, arrange, and then I say bring forward. So you can see this object is moved one step ahead from its current position. Also, we have send backward and send to back. So if I pick like this rectangle, for instance, I want to move it one step behind from its current position. Just go to object, arrange, and then you choose send backward. You can see that the rectangle will be pushed one step ahead from its current position. Also, we have what we call send to back. Send to back, it will move its object from the current position to be placed behind all the other objects. If I use like this circle, for instance, you can go to object, arrange, and then you say send to back. So you can see this object now, it will be placed behind all the other objects. I can use this on this polygon as well. If I go to object, arrange, send to back, you can see it is placed behind all the other objects. Otherwise, that is how you implement the arrange commands. We have send backwards, we have send to back, we have bring forward, and we have bring to front. These commands will come in handy, especially when you are doing a lot of design work, because you'll be expected to position some objects at a particular point. You may draw objects that are maybe intersecting one another, and you need to arrange them accordingly. So this is now where the arrange commands come in. Otherwise, thank you very much and see you in the next lesson.